So how to make money in crypto, the biggest narratives of the upcoming bull run in the late 2024 and the whole 2025. These are the biggest narratives I think will do the most damage, the biggest return of the investment. The first and the easiest narrative is airdrops. The best thing about the airdrops is that you can do it with $0 because there are these testnet airdrops and you can do it for free. And the reason for these testnets are exactly for you to test them before the mainnet, where you spend actual funds and actual volume, basically the real money. And this is the main reason why airdrop narrative is number one, because so many people can do it. There are even the Zilli quests, the Galaxy campaigns, which are also for free. You just have to use your social media accounts. However, if you have few $100, like 100, 200, you can spend those on the mainnet airdrops, on basically doing transactions on different chains. For example, Base blockchain, Blast blockchain, Scroll. These are few examples, but there are many more upcoming chains and networks. And if you want to be early in these airdrops, I would recommend you to check the cryptorank.io. Here you will see all the upcoming crypto projects that have the biggest fundings. And what I mean by fundings is that investors are giving these projects money so they can build. The best thing is that if the funding is really, really big, this means that airdrop will most likely be really, really big. And that's why you can take advantage of this and information on this website. That's what I'm personally using, but you have to check out if they are doing airdrops. So go on their social media platforms if you decide to farm or basically join these communities. So yeah, that's basically the alpha about airdrop narrative. The second narrative is NFTs, and I think many people in crypto space are still hating on NFTs. And that's basically the main reason why they will be going up the most, because so many people are still hating on NFTs. They don't understand why these are important. And these are important because the big brands like Marvel, Nike, Adidas, they cannot do anything with the crypto space or crypto coins. All they can do is utilize the NFT space, and that's why they will be pushing their own projects on their social media platforms, similar like they were doing in late 2021, because they caught on the NFT wave quite late, but right now they will be really, really early. They will understand the whole space, and I think the big brands will be the ones that will push this space like 100 times higher. And this is the main reason why I think NFTs will outperform most of the meme coins, the crypto coins, because there was such a big backlash in 2021, 2022. And how you can get the most money of NFTs is you have to research the new chains, for example, Blast, Base, ZK Sync, Scroll, all of these new layer 2s that will have their own first NFT collections. I think Solana, Tron, maybe even BNB. I don't understand why BNB is always underperforming, but these chains will have their own first collections, the biggest collections, and the biggest projects, the biggest marketing. That's why check out these chains that are not specifically on Ethereum, because Ethereum, we already know, CryptoPunks, Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins are the biggest projects. You should check out some big brand projects on Ethereum. I think that's where the biggest returns will be if we are talking about Ethereum. And as we are talking about NFTs, I have to mention the gaming aspect, because most of the gaming projects are releasing their own NFTs, and gaming will be probably the number one ecosystem in the crypto space, because gaming is the biggest entertainment industry in the whole world. It's bigger than the music and Hollywood, basically music and films combined. That's why crypto gaming will be really, really insane. And there is a big speculation about the GTA 6 that will be released in 2025, which will be the absolute crypto bull run euphoria. That's why if they announce something about crypto payments or NFTs, this will be huge for the whole market, and everything will go 10x higher. So that's basically the narrative number 2, NFTs. Narrative number 3 is layer 2s. And why layer 2s is because layer 2s is basically a solution for Ethereum mostly, because Ethereum has a really high gas fees, and they basically reach around 40, 50, 60 even $70 to $100 per transaction on Ethereum in early 2024. That's why there are so many new layer 2s like Arbitrum, Optimism, Ronin, Base, Scroll, ZK Sync. All these specific layer 2s are meant to minimize the gas fees and make the transactions like 10 times, 100 times faster than they are on Ethereum. And there are so many new layer 2s, and honestly 90% of those will go to zero as well. They will be empty, but I would recommend you to check out, for example, the Ronin is the #1 gaming layer 2 in my opinion. Immutable X as well, big gaming layer 2. Base, which is the Coinbase layer 2. Coinbase is the first and the biggest exchange in the whole world. That's why don't fade Base. I think Base NFT projects, meme coin projects are super undervalued. So that's the narrative number 3 is layer 2s. Narrative number 4 is Solana. Solana is one of the biggest and the most hyped chains, even if it's not that decentralized. There are many VCs still holding the Solana coins, and they still have the vesting periods, which means that they are still selling their Solana tokens until like 2027 or even 2030, something like that. But the thing is that crypto space doesn't care about these VCs or centralization no more, or not yet, because everyone wants to make money. That's why Solana is so big. They have done such a big and great marketing for their own chain. The gas fees are low, the speed is fast. That's why we see the biggest NFT projects are also right now from Solana. We have the Solana meme coins, which are in the top 100 crypto ranks, which is huge. And the 2024 was all about Solana. The biggest returns were made on Solana. That's why the narrative number 4 is still Solana. I think it will be one of the biggest platforms, the biggest ecosystems in the whole 2025 as well, but we will see. Narrative number 5 is DeFi. If you have decent funds, you can stake your basically crypto to earn some APRs and APYs. You basically get money for just holding your tokens in some contract, some smart contract where you lock in, basically stake, and you get some percentages back every month. This is only if you don't want to actively participate, do some high risk plays. That's why I think DeFi is the best opportunity for big whales. Take advantage of many new decentralized protocols where you can stake your crypto. And also there are so many opportunities for stakers to get many airdrops. For example, like Dimension, Cosmos ecosystem. You basically stake your Cosmos tokens and you get airdrops for many upcoming projects. This will be a huge narrative as well in the whole 2025. And the narrative number 6 and the best way you can make money in the crypto is actually building something yourself, being a developer, joining some big ecosystem, some big project that you can help to develop, or being an influencer, being a YouTube influencer, creating content, or TikTok, Twitter, doing it every day, giving value to people, because most people still don't understand anything about crypto space. They don't understand how to install their crypto wallets. So this is really great opportunity for people that don't want just to spend their money and wait for something to pump, go up, or give you some free airdrops. Building is the best way, because you basically set your own limits and you get the best experience by putting your own skin in this game. That's why the narrative number 6 and the biggest way to make money is building something yourself. So the narrative number 7, and this is the most popular narrative in the crypto, is trading. I'm personally using Bybit for trading, and if you want to start trading crypto as well, you can join Bybit and you can get a big bonus by signing up with my referral link. The referral link is in my description and in the comment section as well. That's what I'm doing daily as well. And yeah, this is the biggest and the most popular narrative, because most people don't want to do anything in this space, just invest in something and wait for it to grow 5 times, 10 times, 100 times, doesn't matter. But that's why this is the biggest, the most popular, and the easiest way you can basically make money in the crypto space. So yeah, these are the biggest 7 narratives in crypto in the upcoming crypto bull run in late 2024 and the whole 2025. That's why if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press that like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.